Good morning, viewers at home. You are on to Mathematics with Dr. OJ. In this video, we shall look at a tutorial question on indices. So don't forget to subscribe to my video channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video and the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be duly notified. Thank you. The question is, simplify 2 raised power 2a plus 1 multiplied by 4 raised power a times 25 raised power 2a all over 50 raised power a times 2 raised power a times 10 raised power 2a. Now to simplify this, to solve this, let's look at the numerator and the denominator of the expression of the fraction of this here fraction. You observe clearly here that 2 can be a multiple of some of the integer variable here, and at the same time 5 can be, a multiple. So don't make mistakes of dividing 50a by 25a or thereabout. You will run into trouble. So let us try to simplify, because the question says we should what? Reduce it to a simplified form. So we try to simplify. Okay. So we have what? 2 raised power 2a plus 1. Then multiply by the multiple of 2 in 4, what? 2 raised power 2 raised power of 4, raised power of a, rather, multiply by 25. The multiple of 25 is 5. 5, that is 5 raised power what? 2, that is 25, multiplied by raised power 2a, okay, all over. Now, this 50a, how do we get an expression of 50a in a simplified form? We can pick 2. We can pick 2. We can keep 25. Okay? Yes, we can pick 2. We can pick 25. So, or we can even pick 10. We can pick 5. But since we have 25 above here, let's reduce it to 2 times 25 so that it will be easier to solve. Okay? 2 times 25. Okay, that is 2 times 25 as place 50 raised to power a multiplied by 2 raised to power a times 10 can be what? Can be reduced to 2 times 5 everything raised to power 2a. Okay, so with that we have 2 raised to power 2a plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power, multiply 2 by a here. According to the law of indices, you have 2 raised to power 2a, then multiply by 5 raised to power 2 times raised to power 2a, that's 5 raised to power 4a all over. Okay, now we can further simplify 25 by saying 2 times 5 raised to power 2 everything raised to power a. Okay, then multiply by what? 2 raised to power a multiplied by what? Now we can open up here. We can open up. So, because 2 raised to power a belongs to 2 and 5. So we have 2 raised to power 2a times 5 raised to power 2a. I hope you understand that. Okay? Because it implies, what this implies is that 2 and 5 are owners of the power 2a. So, they can have 2 raised to power 2a plus 1. Then, when in indices, when you are multiplying the index numbers, their powers will be added. So, there's plus 2a, okay? Then multiply by 5 raised to power 4a all over. Now, opening this up, you have 2 raised to power a, 2 raised to power a multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 times a. That's 5 raised to power 2a multiplied by 2 raised to power a, then times 2 raised to power 2a, okay, then multiply by 5 raised to power 2a. Okay, now what next? We continue further simplification. Simplify further. We simplify further. Now let's go. So we have what? 2 raised to the power of 2a plus 2a, that's 4a. 4a plus 1, 4a plus 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 4a all over. We now select the integer 2 with their powers. So we have what? 2 raised to power a Then this is another one, times 2 raised power a times 2 times 2 raised power a times 2 raised power 2a. That is by the time you collect like terms. Then times 5 raised power 2a times 5 raised power 2a. I hope you understand. Okay. Now we have what? 2 raised power 4a plus 1 multiplied by 5 raised power what? 4a all over. Now 2 is common to them. A plus a, that's 2a. 2a plus 2a, that's 4a. Then multiply by 5 raised power 2a plus 2a, that's 4a. I hope you understand. Okay. Yes. So clearly here, you can even, from here, this one will cancel this out. Yes. This one will go with this. Okay. So you can have this one, because this is multiplication, this will cancel this out. It's completely the same thing. So you've left what? 2 raised power 4a plus 1 divided by 2 raised power 4a. Okay. So this one implies what? 2 raised power 4a plus 1. Division means subtraction over the powers minus 4a. So that will be what? 2 raised power 4a minus 4a. That's 0. 0 plus 1, which is equals to 2. So the answer to the question is 2. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button below the video. Thanks and God bless.